From our last video, we have reached New York, but we are only here for 3 days. On the third day is our real estate competition. That means we have 48 hours before our competition. What would you do if you had 48 hours in New York? Let's go. We're about to step outside, let's go. Damn, the yellow cars. Oh, holy, it's cold.
Why don't we take the cab?
Okay, okay.
First photo, 485 7th Avenue.
7th Avenue.
Thank you.
Because visiting
We are here for
competition.
a competition.
A business competition. So how is it going on share market? Very bad.
Market is doing okay. We're in the real estate market.
Oh, real estate market.
Buildings, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, damn.
That's their graveyard. It's so thin actually. But they have different sizes. Why?
Yeah.
It's so different from my Chinese graveyards.
Even yours?
First time in Europe for all of us, right?
Perfect. This is great.
Oh, wow. It's mixed.
It smells like New York.
I don't know.
Jeez.
What could be?
Thank you, boss. Ooh. Should we go in? Oh, that's too fast. Go, go, go. Wow, it is warm. We have arrived at our hotel, which is lucky for us, right in the heart of New York, Times Square. Now, we reached earlier than the others, so the three of us decided to indulge in some donuts at the Classic. Whoa. Our first meal. Wow. Wait, how do you become a Dunkin'? How do you become a Dunkin' Donut? That was my question. Comment down below if you know the answer. Anyways, by the time we finished, the rest of our team members arrived.
I haven't tasted it. Oh, they're just here.
Go, go, go.
Why it's so fast?
Yeah. We completed our check-in, and now it was time to see our room. And
Okay.
Professor.
See you guys around.
You guys are right.
Read the group chat.
Yes. We're 1008. So this way.
39. 39?
We're all the way
Far
outside.
away,
Okay, okay.
See you later.
See you. 1008. Oh, there it is. Why is it in yellow? Why are all the others in white and this one's yellow?
Because it hasn't been checked yet.
Yeah.
How many cars do you have?
Whoa.
Whoa!
This is such a unique room. Wow. Yo.
Very interesting layouts.
Yeah.
It's like, how to say it?
No. Unfortunately, not really a view, but
Yeah, but we won't be staying in the room.
look, it shouldn't depend. Gosh, first the tray, now this.
Depends.
You mean deep end? But it's like, it's cool.
Yeah, it is.
It's really cool.
And check that phone. You know?
Oh damn.
Oh, it's
No
really,
way.
oh. Yes, it works. It's really like the like an old style. What?
We got hangers as well.
Oh, they don't have water.
That's, oh yeah, this is nice.
It's very.
Dude, I would have never imagined the room to look like this.
The sockets. You don't actually need the
Oh, It's universal.
Yes, universal.
Okay, perfect. What is that?
Upcoming events. Ah, yeah, that's like a very all-inclusive hotel.
Yeah, actually,
They have a
it's
lot of
like they
events,
welcome
activities going on.
like a networking event every day or something.
I should have stayed
not
longer.
touchscreen.
Bedtime stories.
What the? With limited time, we now embark on a surreal walk around Times Square, New York.
Dollar store. Oh my god, you got dollars? You got dollars? I don't like a dollar. You got diarrhea tonight.
Times Square had me overwhelmed. I didn't know where to start recording, what to record. There was so much going on. So I know for a fact I need to be back to capture its true essence. For now, enjoy my hilarious attempt at capturing its beauty. And do stay subscribed because I'll be back here soon and presenting it to you in a way unlike ever before.
Walking around with this
Like a true American.
heads up.
Captivated by its vibrant lights, CUHK has made this dreamlike experience a reality. Each step in the city feels like paradise.
Wow, look at this.
Just been gallivanting randomly. Let me check where we are headed for dinner.
I think our restaurant is next block.
And that's where it is?
Just go straight.
So where are we heading? Are we heading towards Central Park?
We're heading Central Park. If
Okay.
we go on this street, not on Broadway. Well, actually,
Okay.
Broadway we will get to Central Park too.
Make some noise! Make some noise for Texas, yeah!
Can I enter from here? This is Dos Caminos, a Mexican restaurant. Let us savor each bite at our first dine-in restaurant in New York, knowing that in less than 2 days, our time will come for our hard work to shine through as a team. We still have 32 hours before our competition. What do you think we did?